My people, how na dey? How are you people? Good afternoon. How na dey? How na dey? My lovely people, you see this social media. Blessing Unjo, you are looking too much for attention. Since you say na Edo people saga, na I go bend your head. You go see your head bent. You understand? Blessing, you have not been till now, you never offend me. But I want to warn you to stop tagging me on your videos. Blessing, please, you people should help me share this video to Blessing Unjo. Blessing Unjo, stop tagging my names around your nonsensical videos. Your videos does never make sense. Your hypocritical video. Stop tagging my names. I don't like it. Not be by force. And by force. It's not by force now. Don't tag my name anymore on your video. You get why? We get why. I don't want you to be tagging my names on your video. Please. I'm not saying don't analyze my video. There's a reason why. If you feel like, say, now your job will not make you rest. To cause saga, pass everywhere, now be your work for social media. To increase people saga, so that they will the saga for you to analyze. Now be your work, Blessing. I'm not going to say you should stop it, because that is exactly what you love doing on social space. You have been a saga creator. You have been a saga formulator. You have been a saga ginger. You have been a very bad influence to the Edo community when it comes to problem creation. Alright? Blessing, you are not an Edo woman. I've not seen myself analyzing the Cameroonians on Facebook before or whatever. I'm not saying you don't have rights to analyze. You can analyze, but one thing you must do for me, don't tag my name again. Especially when you know that you don't know how that thing happened and you want to get yourself involved badly. Please, don't tag my names. Alright? Next time, this one is a straight warning to you. Do your analysis, but don't tag my name, Blessing Unjo. I don't want you to be tagging my names. And it's not by force. You know? If I tell you, say, Blessing, tag my name, you can tag my name. I must not see every stupid write-up that you make. I must not see every write-up where you know they make sense what you do for your show. I must not see them. I don't want to also block you. I can't be blocking everyone like I block the others. I will constantly block you, joiner. Blessing, please, don't tag my names, especially when you know that I'm still in that saga and I've not finished it. So, you cannot divert me, alright? Don't tag my name. Do your job without you tagging my name. You can do your audio to whatever you're doing. Analyze your analysis. Don't tag my name. Because the time when they want to engage something for this live video, una not the year. By the time when that thing go come turn to another one, that is when you people will start running everywhere. You start looking for help. You start looking for gang up. You start looking for people to use their head to buy your fight. But when you will be digging, people will not see it. Blessing, you are digging. Please, I am begging you, in the name of God, I have not come for you on Facebook. And I don't think I will ever come for you. You are an analyst, alright. But my plight with you this afternoon is, stop tagging my name on every cookaboo story that you cook up in your platform. Stop tagging my name. Don't draw my attention to any cookaboo story that you are organizing for yourself and your followers. Let your cookaboo story be for your followers, Blessing. I've been on Facebook. I've never, ever jumped into the issues that has to do with you. Why didn't I do that? I didn't do that because I'm a reasonable person. Alright? I've not done that. Blessing, you want popularity. We all want it. But please, don't get it the wrong way. Don't get it the wrong way. No. Stop tagging my name. You stop tagging my name. By the time you are doing your analysis, do it. I don't have 1 cent for you, Blessing. €1. I don't give €1 to people because I'm afraid of blackmailers. That's why I don't pay 1 cent. The way you see me on this live video, I don't get 1 bag of rice and 1 bag of fufu where they give anybody say, come follow me, fight. Fight where you don't know the way I take create. No way. I don't do that. Blessing. And you are going to be the least person I will ever give my 10 cents to stop tagging my names on your video. Alright? Stop tagging my names. And I don't want to be reporting my videos that you have in your channel that has to do with my pictures. No. You are doing your work. I'm not against it. But don't tag my names. Especially when you see and say, that tagger is still on ground. Don't you ever tag my name. Blessing. You came to social media to want to be an analyst. At the end of the day, you ended up becoming a gang squad. That is where you ended. You see, this is why I told people to say, if you are a person who is advising people in gay saga, make sure you know what you are advising, because saga be like erosion water. Only 1 leg, now you will pull like this, you go carry your 2 legs, you go flow, you go house. So people who think they are saints, you better be a saint in your house. Alright? You better be a saint in your house. Blessing is collecting money from people. She's doing that. And me, I don't have 1 cent to give you because I have my mouth. Instead of me to give you my money, I give you my words. My words are enough to make you a changed person. I will never give you a 1 cent. I don't work for people who want to be represented as blackmailers. Blessing, stop tagging my names. It will do you a very good favor to do all your analysis without hashtagging my name. I'm not saying you shouldn't carry my video. I'm saying stop hashtagging my name. Don't hashtag my name anymore. Now only this one now say make I tell you. I hope say this one not go be a problem. I hope say this one not go be wahala. I hope you will not turn it to something. I hope you don't want to make me and you do saga. Because at the end of the day, you was an analyst. And as we are now saying right now, you are no longer an analyst, you are now a saga fueler. You are not fueling saga. You are not giving food to saga so that saga can grow. You are not giving energy to saga so that saga can grow. You are not giving energy to Edo saga so that it can germinate a different squad. Bless him, I only go to you. Please, stop carrying, hashtagging my names on your video. Don't hashtag my name anymore. Do your analysis with due respect. I respect people who respect themselves. Until this moment, you have respected me. You have not insulted me one day. You have not called me names. Please, I don't want to call you names. Because if you don't take my warning, I'm going to call you names. I've never said don't analyze me. If you feel like you are no longer comfortable in analyzing me, please drop me. But if you feel like you still want to continue analyzing me, don't you ever hashtag me. I am sick and tired of your hashtag. Because if you continue, I will come out and be rubbishing you, which some people doesn't like. I don't want to rubbish you on social space. Please. My rubbish is not good for body. Blessing. Saga that is not meant for you, don't buy it. You are trying to buy the saga that is not your own. Alright? You not speak English, reach me. Blessing. You not speak English, reach me, and you not go school past me. I address my Edo community because I know that everyone is not the same. We don't all speak the same language and we don't belong to the same level. Only mami get blessing get in my with Facebook. Me ma we Calabar again with him as Edo to him, as Esa to him, as Igbo to him. I am your pan we on blessing. You say you want to stop saga on social media, but you came out and you became the worst. All right? I don't know if you like to be eating your food by people chasing you around different corners. This one will chase you, the other one will chase you. You see the money those people gave you. If it expires, tell them to give you a new one. I don't pay any fucking bagger to do a supporting analysis for me. What you are doing is what they call supporting analysis. I don't like supporting analysis. No. I know they like them. You understand? What you do is what they call supporting analysis. I don't like it. I don't like it. So this audio or whatever video that you analyze and do against me, I want to tell you that You don't know what is happening on social media. I don't fair explain before to tell you say I don't know how many times you want me at the talker. U say no mamu gume ime hai. U say ne azen have bona last year mu eri. E bona mu eri. You might understand them no say no na only we be explain. E bona mu eri. Ano give mu enti o him by bona. Ona vie gangi bagbe yana abun. So e ba ma like before. Ni me mana ko ni yan avec ni. E ba ma me yan avec before na. Kene gbogbe no barrier no regbe senika. E ba ma ya avec before now. E ba me oni yan latin na to gbe now. E ba me here because if you know the time when me not get their time, they call me every day. Now when me not get their time, they see the answer me I go the answer. So blessing step aside. All of una way one use una head take carry with you no concern una. And they always tell una say me una step aside. The other one use here that they are beg and come beg for live video. The time when they beg una, me una they take advice. Me like him on the advice. Step aside. Uga abda yo dan reve ni mana seke nuje. Ege ase le gbo man la wegbe. He retire. Now we step aside blessing. I didn't come close to you. Don't hashtag me anymore. My admin is tired of removing your hashtag from my Facebook. Alright? My manager is tired of removing your hashtag from my Facebook. Don't hashtag me anymore. Mwah. Hey, hashtag me. Don't hashtag me. I don't like it because you want to increase saga on social media. You want people to be talking about you. All right, this is how we all trend. But please, don't hashtag me on your videos. All right, don't hashtag me. If you don't hashtag me, I will never ever see you. I will never notice you. I will never ever know that you are talking about me. Blessing, stop hashtagging me. Stop hashtagging me because I will never pay you 1 cent. Now maybe that woman will not they give person 1 cent for my matter. I know they do one. If you know say you want do anything for live video, you be a do one. My 1 cent I don't give to people. I don't bribe people not to do anything. Do it. You understand? So stop hashtagging me on your nonsense. You said I'm not asking Kate. You said I cannot downplay a fellow woman achievement to prostitution. Really? Where were you when my achievements were being downplayed on social media? Blessing. Where were you? Where were you when my achievements were being downplayed? Where were you? So you didn't see it. You didn't notice it. Because you was expecting me to come and give you 1 cent. Or 20 cents or whatever. Let's say I don't belong to those squad. I don't do all those things. Definitely, you also know that I will never accept you to be a squad of a gang up with me. Una no, one man warrior now I take on Facebook. Now I still be till today. So blessing, where were you? In your video, you say I call your friend Aboki wife. Is that not what you said? Where were you when Aboki wife were ganging up children to be swearing for the children they didn't give birth to? To be calling me Kokobiri wife. To be calling my children Kokobiri children. Blessing, where were you? Were you dead and buried? You wasn't on social space. You were lost in the midst of, I don't know what carried you away out of social space. Where were you? Were you blind? Or, I don't know, where did you went to? Where did they take you to? Have you not been on Facebook? When did Aboki wife started on social media? Did you know when they started calling me Kokobiri wife? Even this one where they say nigga, when life not complete for. Did you know when she started calling my children Kokobiri wife, Kokobiri children? But today she's having a child and she want the whole world to carry her child like angel. Because now she be the only person we get to toe with the punk picking. Now she the only person we carry picking for 9 months for belle. Other people don't carry picking for 9 months. Blessing, have you ever done an analysis of my children one day when they were being bullied on social media? Do you know what it means for a woman like you to come out and call your children the name they were not given by their fathers and their mother? Did you know what it is, blessing? So it's now you want to cry. Hey, you will cry for a very long time, my dear. You go cry for a very long time. That's what my matter be. Una go see cry you. Because the time Aboki wife, where were you? When Aboki wife was busy calling people Abriba wife, calling their husband Abriba. Blessing, where were you? You supported it to say Abriba is a name in Igbo land. You never regarded it as an insult. I came out on a video, I cleared it for you. I said, blessing, that is a direct insult on somebody's reputation. It's a direct insult on somebody's husband. When you come out and tell a person to say your husband are Abriba, it means say they carry machine for head, the head bang go one side. That's a direct insult. A straight one for that matter. Blessing, where were you when this woman where this Senegal where never bath? The one where Egbo Bay Senegal. Where were you when she came out and she brought another of herself to Facebook? She was suffering of another thing inside and she carried another thing on social media. Where were you, blessing? Were you lost? Were you lost on social media? Where were your analysis those days? Where did they hide? Blessing, did you know how many times they have been calling me Kokobiri wife? Did you know how many saga Kate has foiled concerning me? Did you know how many saga Kate has supported concerning me? Where were you, blessing? Were you dead? Were you buried? Where were you? The time Kate used the nonsensical woman in Spain to be swearing for her unborn children, and she shared the video where children are being constantly bullied and laid curse on. Where were you, blessing? Were you lost in the middle of nowhere? Where were you? Did you die? Did they bury you? Did you went to grave and you came out somehow? I don't know. Where were you, blessing? Were you not on this social media? I didn't see you that time. You see, if you want to start analysis, this is why I always tell you, Nigerians, there is no way you can analyze a saga. If you are a Nigerian person, you will never analyze it. What you need to do is to step aside, allow them to dig it out, woman to woman. Yes, mouth to mouth, words for words. This is how we dig out and sort out our issues. Then before we start placing boundaries and respecting ourselves. I hope you are getting me, blessing. So if you want to jump into the issues that has nothing to do with you, blessing, you are calling for saga on top of saga. And people will be hashtagging you, just like they are doing right now, as the sole proprietress of Edo Saga. You are the sole proprietress. Where were you, blessing? Where were you the time Kate was being calling into the live video? Where my children were being called names? Where my children were being insulted every day? How they won't even use their blood to drink water? Kate was inside and she shared the video. She was supporting it and she stood by that video. And she never condemned it. Where were you? Were you dead? Did you die? So you are thinking, as me, Rita, I will go for children like that. No. Our Benin people talk and say, you know what in me. Person where it be like you, where they fuel problem against you, now you will go cash. Not be another person where be say small children where come out and they do bri. Me, I know they see small picky. We get to tagging in the yazene. Now she thought say she don't chop win. She say I want to don't mature. She want to be popular, and she started fueling saga. Do you know how many people gang up against me? Did you know how many? Did you know how many? Let me tell you, blessing. If I see a video where your children are constantly lambarded, where your children, where woman like you, where never born one, carry cup, they talk, say you want to drink your children water, and you come out, me where be Rita go they put my like and love. Senegal woman, where they Senegal, negbo benena, her pass one, me my him pass one, but she came out, she was busy liking and loving that video. She supported that video, 100%. Was she not having children inside the house, blessing? What is it that you have to say about that one? Did you like it? How does that look to you? So, why are you supporting nonsense that you don't know? So, are you trying to tell me, blessing, that my children are not children? Is that what you are referring to? Because I'm not understanding you. I'm not understanding your plight anymore. You said I shouldn't call Kate Aboki wife. It's an insult, really. So, blessing, explain to me the meaning of Kokobiri wife. In your nonsensical analysis, you also said you was not liking it when they were calling my husband Kukubiri wife. Did you ever make a video against it? Blessing. If you're really a truthful person. If you have done that, I wouldn't have been replying you this afternoon. So, are you saying that I knew that you are ganging up against me on social media? Did you ever, okay, you know that it wasn't correct. You know that it was not good for people to be tagging an innocent man and innocent children. You knew it. According to you, you felt bad. It was not nice. It doesn't look good. But did you ever make a video to condemn it? I'm asking you. Answer me, Blessing. Did you condemn it? If you know you did condemn it, Blessing, I need the video from you that you used to condemn the video where you told me, where you said in that video to say, this thing is not right. What you are doing to Rita's children is bad. The name you gave to her husband is bad. Blessing, you are a learner. Did you understand? Now learn and now you be. I don't know whether you just wake up in the middle of nowhere and you thought you can form gang up against me on social media. You are learning, Blessing. I've chested, I don't know, look at how many mad people I chested on live video. So you think your madness is enough to only bring me down? It's not going to even add a single whatever. Your madness is learning. Are you hearing me? Your gang up is learning. Blessing, I don't have money to give you to analyze the issue in my favor. For me, and for all I believe and care, Blessing, you are a non-entity. Are you hearing me? You are a non-entity and you don't exist on social space. You are a saga fueler, you are a saga buyer, you are a saga supporter. That is what you feed from. Blessing, listen to me. You don't want me to call Aboki wife. But when she was busy calling me flat nyash in her video, how many times did you analyze it? And where is the video you used to do the analysis, Blessing? I need it from you. If you can show me one video to say, body shaming is bad. In my own time, when I was being body shamed, if you have the video, Blessing, put it on live video. Let me see it. Because I have not been saying it. I have not been saying it. There is no one video that you used to condemn body shaming in my own time. So, Blessing, I put it to you to say you are a corrupt analyst on social media. You are corrupt. People who believe they don't have mouth to talk. People who believe that they don't have the power to do what they started. People who want to hide the umbrella of your nonsensical analysis. These are the people who regard you as somebody, not me, Webi Rita. Are you hearing me? Blessing, you are nonsensical. Your analysis is stupid. And I regard your analysis as not existing. To me, you don't analyze anything. You don't even exist. So this video, I am directing it to you this afternoon straight to tell you that if you have any video that you used to condemn body shaming in my time, please bring it out. I need that video on social space. Blow it on here. Let people carry it. Allow people to see it. How you did your job in my own time when I was being body shamed on social media. Where is the video you used to analyze it, Blessing? You didn't. You came out for your first time. You did your nonsensical analysis that has to do with April. I looked at you. I overlooked and I laughed. And this time around, you want to come and you want to poke me, Blessing. You want to get your attention through me. Before I start calling you names that I don't want to call you, please, Blessing, show me the video you used to condemn body shaming. Christina Tostomache. The name you used to condemn body shaming in my time, that is what I want from you. That's what I want from you. So you don't want people to call Aboki wife anymore. Really, we all have names on social media. And when we are dealing with ourselves, we call our nicknames. And this one shouldn't be a problem to you at all. I've accepted my own. Everyone should accept their own in good faith. Are you hearing me? The time Senegal Obuele was on live video, I want you to ask that lady, because you said I'm talking about her now. Ask her, the woman will be Senegal Obuele, where this Senegal. I want you to ask her a question to say, where did you know Rita? Did Rita ever come for you? Did Rita ever mention your name on live video? Has Rita ever talked about you one day? Has Rita ever posted about you one day? You and Rita, who started coming out for one another? You want to be truthful to yourself, Blessing? This is where the problem starts from. Did Rita never poke anyone around you that you came out for Rita? The time Senegal Obuele came out, she also said Obuele also said she wants to come and analyze. That's why I say analysis is not for illiterates. Analysis is not for illiterates. Before you buy the ticket of analyzing people's life, make sure when the time comes, when they want to start giving you facts, you are ready to understand them. Blessing. Live video. You see, as I dey here so, where I never even see some people, they are looking, they are buying. As I'm telling you now, they are busy paying for saga. They are calling saga that they cannot do in the nearest future. As I'm standing here now, some people are busy calling it. Come. I have not seen them. I don't even want to notice them because I know what they want, because they are too junior. Are you hearing me, Blessing? But you decided to be using me to play in your page. Blessing, with due respect, my sister, I don't know how old you are. I don't know if I'm older than you. I don't know if you are age mate. Step aside. Give me time and leave me alone. Go and create your saga. Don't jump into my own. I want to make it your food. I don't have money to give you. I don't pay people to get off my back. I don't do those things, Blessing. Are you hearing me? Unjo, I don't do people to get off my back. I take them out of my chest myself. I don't pay people to say, come and get off my back. Never. I don't do those things, Blessing. So you are never going to take 1 cent from me on social space, because your analysis to me is regarded as nonsensical. You know why? Because if you was fair enough, the time my children were being bullied, the woman who is in Senegal today, who is carrying her child around, she now have a child. She have one now. A child that was being born. Other people, they borrowed their own from somewhere. Did I know her before? Ask me, Blessing. Go and ask her to say, what is your business with Rita? That is what I want you to ask her. How did you know Rita? How did you and Rita problem started? Ask her a question. She said, I got me, they pay my food. Now got me, they give me money. Now got me, they do this one for Germany. I'm a worker, Blessing. Did you know when I started working in Europe, I completed 16 years of work in Europe. Bam! This year, I complete 16 years of normal job in Europe. Complete 16 years of pay slip. Now complete. Blessing. I want you to ask your Senegal Obuele. Ask her to say, what exactly is your business with Rita? Did you know Rita before? Did Rita ever come to knock at your door and say, come, let's do saga, come? Did I ever do that? Have I ever responded to her in any of my video? I also want you to go and ask your Senegal Obuele, Blessing, the person that you are not shouldering against me, the gangs that you are creating against me. Go and ask her. What concerns you and Rita? What business do you have with Rita? Ask her that question very well. I have a business with her, not with you. We have a cause to settle on social media. The time she came out on social media, did you know how that lady came for me, for us and my children? Did you ever ask her? Blessing. She came for me. She came for my children. She called my children Kokobiri children. Do you know the meaning of tagging children? I have 3 children inside my house. That woman tagged all of them. When her mouth, they run. I kept those things those days and say, when time comes, we go dig up. And I was also praying to God. I never even knew that she also have, you know, I never knew, Blessing. I never knew. So now, you people want to close my mouth. Do you know how to close my mouth? You only close my mouth with truth. The only time I keep quiet and allow people to win me in a fight is when I know that I made a small mistake concerning that person. Then I will close my mouth. If not, Blessing, I go jolo dena and be. I want you to go and ask Senegal Obuele to say, what connection has Senegal with Germany? Ask her. The time Kate was busy using all of them to do gang up against me, where were you? Blessing. Were you dead? Were you dead? Or were you buried and you just now you can't resurrect from where they bury you put? You're not the social media at that time. Really? Or my children, you regard them because they are being born by the man that is not a Nigerian. They are not kids. Is that what you are trying to tell me, Blessing? Are you trying to tell me that because my children are not Nigerians, for that reason, they are not children, or they are not worthy, or they don't need respect? or they are not supposed to be respected by a woman who claims to also have a child that they are not carrying around on social media. What do you take me for, Blessing? Don't you ever try to press my wrong button anymore, alright? I've not come for you on live video. I don't even know you. Blessing, don't get me angry. You have children, alright? If you allow other people to draw my children and draw me, and when the time comes for me to also draw them, you want to support them against me, you are looking for problem for me. Blessing, step aside. I haven't come to you for one day. I haven't come for your children. Senegal Abuele came for my children. She came for me, and she came for my husband. Kate supported people swearing, midnight swearing for my children. She was the orchestrator of all those curses and swear on top of the children where she not born. Now that they drag him mama Akpiko past life with you, that they use need to take the pin in mama Akpiko, she won't cry. Kate's mother is close to her grave. She's almost dying because they are insulting the mother. But Kate fueled the saga against my children. And Kate was happy. It gave her joy. She shared the video where my children are being molested on a constant basis. It was giving her joy. So, Blessing you, just tell me, are you, my sister, I don't want to label you. I don't want to label you. I'm still respecting you up to this moment. When you are making your nonsensical analysis, please make sure you don't ever hashtag my names. That's the only place you are getting me angry till this time. All the nonsensical analysis where you do, I know they come to tell you, say this one, that now. You see all those nonsensical posts that you are doing, all those your rubbish posts, a post that is headed to nowhere. Please, don't you ever hashtag my name. Are you insulting me? Have I ever insulted you before, Blessing? Blessing, I can respect people to a particular level. Please, I have been respecting you. I warned you in one video. I am warning you for the second time. Don't hashtag my name anymore. Because if you don't see where people gather to fight me when I was alone, and they were 1, 2, 3, 4, and they were celebrating and enjoying, they fought me in numbers. And when I come out for only them, you will come tell me, say, me talk waiting no rich. A Blessing akoko boya. Akoko buwewa. Abita sumak boa. Blessing. Asumak buwewa. Asumak boa. Blessing, I am warning you for the last time. Stop hashtagging my name. Are you hearing me? Ask your friend where they Senegal. When she gets that kind of something for inside house, she can't call another person picking Coco Biri children. Now she born my children for me. Is she the one? Really? A woman where you don't born picking. When you born finish, you come for my children, I will come for your own. This is how it's done. Our people for Nigeria, now matter now na be. If una hit person not hit una hard. Una not they know say hard do. Do you know since when we have been shouting to say, remove children from saga on social media. Remove children from saga. Remove children from saga. And people who were doing it, they were celebrating. Kate was hiding under the umbrella that the lady where she they use never born. You never know her speaking beef for Toto. She hid under the umbrella of those things. She hid under the umbrella of those things. When she hide, she they use innocent girl. You think say me you go to fight Sarah. Sarah has not done me anything wrong. I'm repeating it. If you people think you are clever, you're not clever, reach me. Sarah, you not do me anything. I have forgiven Sarah. Kate is the one that will pay for it. Because Kate is a grown-up woman with 4 children inside the house. If she can be talking and gingerly that small girl to say, go swear for your children. So you think I will come for a person who don't have children? Who were you expecting me to come from? Senegal Abuele was having children. Any video where they for the swear for the children where they're not born, they will go there and be putting like love. And they're going to call inside and they're going to support and they give them their energy. And they will be busy sharing the video. It was a community or something. And they wanted to use that one against me. Blessing, where were your analysis those days? Were you dead? Were you dead? Really? Oh, I didn't know you was not on Facebook. If you want people to respect you on social media, make sure you analyze everything the way it is. And you say the truth. And the truth will set you free. If you don't say the truth, you will never be known and recognized on the social space. you and your name are going to die a natural death on social media. You and your name will die a natural death on social space because you are not a truthful person. Blessing. So, you know one thing I hated about your video or I dislike about your video. You say the time when they call my handsome husband, Kokobiri, you say the thing paying you where you don't like her when they do one. You say the thing paying you, Blessing. Really? Ebano. He paid you. And where were the video you did to condemn it? Where is it? I want you to show me one video. You will say this is the video I did to condemn that thing. So you did not do a video to condemn me, but he paying you. Did you ever communicated with me? Or the people that were doing it to say what you are doing to Rita, stop it. And so, Kate launched a war against me on live video. She mounted a war against me on live video. And she hid herself. I not be mumu. I not be mumu at all. If you launch a war against me on social media, I will not come for your warriors. I will come for you. Because you are their head. Because me and me, a warrior who way me hearing anything. Me na iti me your warriors, all of them will run away. Me and buwa bona do where warriors way here do her. Kate, she came for me first. I never come for her. She met me on live video. I was already 1 year doing my work. Sitting down here every day doing my hookup. And Kate had the character of bringing people's business down on live video. That is what she go for. Her target is to bring the business of other people. Anywhere where she hear say, they say money day. Probably don't enter Kate's body, she go they cry. Why not they give them money? They not they use their hand till they work. Why not they do this one? Why not they go hook up? And when I was even doing that hookup, most of the hookup I was doing them for free. I don't tell my life to people. No. Except when need arise, blessing. I was doing them for free. Not because we carry win so we come blow win so. But see the way I do now, because if I tell people say I do free hookup, I'm not going to even sleep for inside this house. I'm a working class woman. The whole Nigeria will come for me. The whole Abuja will come for me. The whole Edo State will come for me. The whole Europe will come for me. Then I will start looking for where to hide. Because I am doing hookup. My phone go to read 24 hours. I'm not going to even chop. That is the way free things is for our people. Olayon Sonia, I have blocked you. Please admin be blocking all these people who are coming to my platform. Block them for me. Now so free thing be for our people. If you tell them say this place free thing there, you go pull flight for Benin today. May you tell them say not free. May you see where that space go. They not be lap. They want lap each other that enter this Europe. This is how I was doing my things. But unfortunately, your counterpart, your friend, your business, your friend in crime has been searching me since when she sees here they do hook up. Now so she search me. Now so she entered my life. Just the way she entered the life of other people. People where they come there. Now so them be. Now so the time I want to respond to people who came for me first, I will be a bitter woman. Abi? I will be a troublesome person. Now so trouble the bill. Because the time when at the start time you go the sweet to now why acquire kere. Why so le. Me na so le me 2020. Again me aya re nu we. We na ya tie we no gbe maton. Iriwe. Iriya meneji. We no gbe maton. And they are way. You see the one where you also they call so blessing. Step aside. Because if you cannot analyze my bullying against my children, you have no right to analyze the time I'm now replying to my bullies. Shh. Shut up. Did you hear what I told you? Close your mouth and remain silent for life. Because you were silent the time my children were being lambarded on a daily basis by Kate. The person where Kate go carry away say na be egbe weja. No. You see Sarah, he go sit down for live video today, go cost me for 10 years. I will never ever reply that child. I have my reasons why. I call her child. I will not. We are not even no no. Because who are you? Who ya be way me be live video na ye no wa. Abu wana ni dekpe ne bazen. Who be a can my no e can no derriere o wa ya killed de. If you know how can no do wa. Why when that be a can my no derriere no do jegwe ba ho. Always sister la wo regwi. Ma we yemi no pa. E ga say na me the party top de name na de don wa. O kan ni free say we keti. O free aso witala we. O de name na de do wo. Even problem ro pa with e ma boy ma gbagwi. Any problem with her? Never. And on my live video one day, Nikki are live video now. Mama retati me. No, you directly about me, direct or indirectly. On my try one day. Never try. The day when I do birthday, Sarah they cry for his and say, "Una see the way Saga gone peaceful." Now because of Saga way full grand, I make me not celebrate Mama Rita because Mama Rita celebrates me when I do my own birthday. You think say my followers not send me that video? They cut time for me. I say, you know the time I wear even problem with you. We are here. One was you one women one mine. More they go. So Kate, you was expecting me if you Nissan your talk. Or my baby no he hoy me mau die. You almost work it me almost over where. So blessing. This message is mainly for you this afternoon. You say I want to regard the hard work of your friend. I want to regard it as into prostitution. Yes. If she say no be prostitution money, may she prove her. This is what I stand for. Me, I've never come to live video to say I have money. If we may go who worry that I may go when I to when I why carry wife and go me go. Worry any me. No why carry my be moi. Me go. O gbe me ya hia yi me moto. Adabi yi mo wa. O buwa me na e. O buwa me na da. So me, I don't have money to show to you people. And wa heregbe no dey me no yime la wa. Ido ari Roma wa ma selleri yo. Azun wa ma re polo selleri yo. You are small. Na never rich. Where they put me to that correct day. More pa there on my video la o we no ma keke no. E o ma dey me video. Nda your muzzle. Are you hearing me? Your friend now come out for live video say she is too rich. The time where bank don't give her money, may they renovate yes. Now that day start to they call the whole world say wala rele competition. Ye nego so wa. Ye nego so wa. I will worry 10,000 la tiamba wa mi ere. I will worry 20,000 la tiamba wa mi ere. I will worry €5 re wa mi ere because who what who wa nego. Your friend was busy looking for attention just the way you are looking for it now blessing. Then we go attention na. It just say we ga you be go attention can attention na your sole ya here. Then you na just say we ga we. Isano se to ne be here ona ka san say ya here be kon ona ga gwa le no gberi yin. Who we me a blessing. Have you forgotten? So you were blind that time. You didn't see it because not be your body you did. I wish to say na your body you for no. Abi? So admit you didn't block Joy Thomas. I just blocked her. Be blocking there for me. Ah, we say na your body you for no. Isaiah not settle no say when I this on this gwagwa ya na gwala attention. So when your friend don't see attention, agama eba we do ladian we no. Make I tell you, you shouldn't have called the husband Aboki. When she was busy calling my husband Kokobiri children, where were you? Were you sleeping? You didn't know that it wasn't good. Oh, I don't know. I just say you know blessing. So if you know that thing, when they do it to you, you don't like it and you are doing it to other people, know that there is a day they call a day of reckoning. A day of reckoning. If they come, if they come. If they come. Now so my matter be. Now so my matter be. It didn't matter mention. So the time Kate was sponsoring gang against me, where you dey? Who be all this one? Where you dey? So you know they exist that time. The time when she come to see what she want. Now that time you can't come and say, oh Rita, you shouldn't have called the husband so name. Blessing. Do you want me to name your husband? If you want me to give your husband a better name, let me give him. Because you are supporting it against me. You are supporting it against me. You are supporting evil against me, and you want me to be rereing you? Make me call the rere you. I want to rere you now. I'll send one mugume Hawaii. Eh, Tito Tagome, Uwaga solo me. O honore Senegal, boile no Senegal. Egeno boile no Senegal na atie mo no ma bia kokobiri children. Uwe wa blessing. When I exist. You know they this life. Oh, you know see her. So the time where I will come they happen now. Now that time you want consider it a bad person. A blessing to onu wuni akeri ahinu ya. Tu we onu weka wuya more ne weke dori ahini mon webia. Na question they ask you they to onu ka wune tamaveni kama we mi no re regbuwe. No me na re regba ya more so that why panel do aka imiri ahini mon bie. So that why you wune udo aka imiri ahini mon bie wetiri ahini ya wuragbon. Wetiri ahini ya wuragbon blessing. So the question when me they ask you now, if you come on for here, go and ask Senegal Boele. No holy no work the no no Senegal no where what can work Rita who work Rita caso so me bego. On your tani when no e. Go and ask her that question. And then Rita na la video na yeve ende e bonati Senegal exist here. Rita very Senegal there. Rita be kuge Senegal there. Rita ebe swenye Senegal there. Erita ke do amu we you be ya so de gbe na no mana gi no zu wopo na wa we retire no get metamawe because evani na there now na for they get her wrong e ke no ka get no treat eh why do I have the phone you do not be so that they do how I have the phone you do if you want a teeth to be here you go down the jaw you go and treat the jaw if you does not treat the root of an issue it will not finish. Oh, one no bo work the no bo no Senegal. Ki me kiye, do manoka he money. Moka hivi any abi on ka hivi many. They love video. Oh, wama bega because it was good for you. It was good for Kate. Every video that my children will be rubbished. Kate will always there liking it and supporting it and sharing it on her platform. Oh, when the time now come for me to also tell them say no, ne kaba. Gane gbuwa na agwa le mi na mari yin no ranwe. Wana gwa ogawa hin. This time around me ya kam wa wo ma wa la re wa wo ne. Wa do gi gbina na ogbelu wa hun. Wa ju nkiye. Ege na wa hin na do ha we erita we ne gbe a. Bye bye Sonny. Isha. So, I thought you have a degree or a diploma in analysis. So I'm directing your analysis to the point you are supposed to look at. The point you are supposed to look at on live video, this is where I'm directing you to. I want you to ask the lady in Senegal. Ije, waga tiye me, de to atiye ye video na. Tiye no ba ni hin agme la diana. E no ba ni agme la diana tiye. E no ba no ya tiye na yare life. Salo boa. Mais on va venir gabaï va mon dopa. À mon souvenir. If you find, you will see. Wa here tie me no ba no re me atie na no re platform no here ya titi e be direct. Because a private no wetie na yare line. Aga no honi no re Senegal me de gba ma video exist be live video one there. Ima de gba ma video exist. U do biri e ke video so an ladian ibri. Ibie kokobiri, awoke kokobiri, ibie kokobiri. Heja. Ana hi. Dama no khona hi. Iya we Senegal je. Boke de. De se na Senegal shi de. Isha. E Senegal tie we bo wana mi data no ya we la video gba TV han. Me na okay one of those women we marry ave malani me go with Senegal no. Ina over boke first lady of Senegal. Now she be because he get money waited the bad data. Kate was busy sponsoring her against me to say, "Ya muemu wa dia webo wa seti berita wa ne." Wa ati kwerita la wa ye mu we adia webo. Happy? Okay. O ma seti berita rita ye rimudia. Or try best o ma seti on talo ma seti fala igbe. Monsieur sister. Na mi kosa. Monsieur fa yo igbe a. Ouais, il me que nana qui est fait avec ya. A bien on va d'adorer ça le il est d'adorer la vidéo. When people come they tell Nana say the place where you the thing where you get for inside as he pass you. You can't like video come they judge other people life. Nana you come they tell say, "Oh, did they say Rita really bully children?" That child is my own. I didn't bully her. No. Don't you ever lay what I did not do on me. I am saying she has something like that inside her house. A child like that. Instead of her to face her child, she faced my children. And she was busy calling my children Kokobiri children. And she was busy there supporting where therefore they lay curses on the children which she born. Not be at my own. Hello.
Hello.
Are they live?
Yeah, good afternoon.
I'm on live.
Yeah, good afternoon. Can you put it on speaker, please?
Yes, it's on speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. How is everything? Yeah, I really want to contribute on this issue of Rita and Blessing. The reason why I call is that Rita, if we move away.
Papa lawegbe. Kunwe khwe gbera gbijue. Papa lawegbe abi tu bu yin bie khwe ni. Kunwe ne khwe na mu e khwe aye ri gba mo ra mu jue. Papa lawegbe abi ta ye ri gba mo la wa. Wa o wa gbon. Ne khwe na mu e tu u ne bi egbe a abi ti jue ne bi. Era ne bi abi te ra yi sanwo, i jue jo sankon. Papa lawegbe wa gbon. E khwe ogbo ya. Abi tu gwe khwe de mi kun. A o wa. What are your hoy? What's your wagume boy fin wa dagun? So where were you, Blessing? Where you dey? The time when be say Senegal Mumu, Belgium Mumu, and all of them gang up against Olemi. Where were you on that video? You die? I know say na she. If I bought la wegbe. On va call ni banu yun bi ehwe ni ba gbon sun wo gigma ari yo khoy na ye meme we bunuje na eri uzu wole le na mi ri kian e dwe to mo si e la video presenter si ya no we mu hu da be la video ya ma kian ba kian baba ya ma kian loko nu devie ke we bu wa nu wu ye bi ebi ari yo khoy ba gbon e bie big boy back home. Every day bie we. Are you bie no ya so popularity you name and so now. If you cry every day, cry na popularity you they give them. May I give you a number. I don't even know where I block her. Ni mo no buy if you public. Ah, you read my boy back home. Na your number be this 39. Me una take am. Hello.
Hello, Mama Lao, my phone on speaker.
On speaker.
It's just on my phone. On boy, what I am on a Jegbia. I don't know where you are. A woman, you're calling. What kind of young boy?
I say,
you're a mama.
Oh, what?
You're a mama who take care of boy. It is war. A man, one man, yeah, just the eye away. Yeah, war. I don't get in Facebook. Yeah, I'm going live.
Oni, I say, you're a fake account on us. So, me want to permit to when you say, no, say, no, well, or your hoy. Joe si permit you when you like fake account in Uyago. Ugo me ya no ego. Since 2 years, New York go with social media. A popularity or your name and go young. So, better whoever we are mole. Wade ke tu mu ye social media re. Wa mama the social media wa de ye ke webu wa. Wa ma no bizu wa se. Wa ikme no ka ugbo no yo keke la wa. Joy Thomas ikme no ka ugbo kin do ba we social media. Ugbo ni la social media na. Ope nu ki arugbo eluzu o to fake account. Urize o yo ore ke na me na bi here feula. E presenter ya no hi oba wa na be Facebook no ma e mu kan ro wa mu kan go me na be wini we da na me egun we ya be fi moto no ya me la ro bi Jesu. Mu e hierita do bet. Wa yo hoy about large work be back more. Me ho no we are to deal with. E baby wa na Sonia. Why la we fake account to like baby. Who ya so we negbe agbo ya be wa so no la wa. E na wa keso. E don we have a ladian. Who we do total we ya ladian be me. Na get me we do fi out that be I no segbe we ma be we. Do what 70 mo so we. Ai. U seni ai na e ogbo na yan we you to. You think say that this year, my equari or here equa where Nancy Gubata Lene, unless you are can one up day by Kiribo. Wamana can one up then Wakiribo, or Buelano Seniga, Unuea ye. Unuwe ye take the Bedevena like Pede, or Vienna ya fair no work by Webina, or Vienna Mundo Sikmia Wena, 2 years. And when I team on where my beard cocobiri, 2 wega origin here like the dog, Papa, even salo boy away here. You see the way God said they do something. The time when you they bully the children will not be your own. You know say a fana motian or one when I got one where? And the cat in a look where ya bemo no ma beer. Where a fana motian or one one. Oh. Igo meno. I when wire statement of a account Renado Begge do waggling I while here. While here, is your demo condemn will be a. Why when you are a bank in a yam we go to why worry a bank out of them we go make for this time, it do ya renew the mumma. Erima we la video, I took get money. If you are a bug be nine, if you are a betisa. If you are a betisa. So blessing. This message is for you. You see this one where you they do so. You will do it and get tired. Now her number be this. Me, I posted her number. She go throw away this number this night. Her number is 390039 35 12 94 8439 0039 35 12 94 8439. Make I repeat. 0039 35 12 94 8439. If you now know this number, you know the person where you get this phone number. Me wanna bring the picture come for me. Need to have my agbe or budget. 0039 35 12 94 8439. Oh. Now what for you? Okay, now you be this Mercy Johnson. The time where they constitute nuisance against me, blessing, where were you? You were nowhere to be found. That time you were saying, oh, Rita, it's not the way they look at you. The way they look at you, your respect. Blessing, please take my respect and use it for 1 year. Alright? I'm giving you my respect and reputation and integrity to use it for 1 year. Use my integrity for 1 year. My integrity, collect it and use it for 1 year. Allow me to fight for myself. You take it and use it. Alright? Use them for your own benefit. I don't need them for now. Carry and make you go use them. Carry and make you go use them. Carry and make you go use them. What were you expecting? What did you expect? You see, you are killing your job on live video, blessing. At the end of the day, what are they feared? Because you are very biased. You are not a truthful person. You too biased. Your bias is too much. Now, this year. You are very biased. And let me tell you another thing that will be for you. I am waiting for you and your gang up. I'm waiting for una fight. The time when una go dey do me with gang up, when I go tell una say, I dey wait me for Allah wife be. Why already better? Hello. Oh yes, see.
Why you below? Here where woman away. Here very money. Only say where Mama, with the office squad, with the dog walking up, no more of squad. When no man away me of we are your papa. Now, Virginia, why you allow? Why, what's the young yabby? No. Yeah.
OJ, damn it, I love you, my general making a wing like this. But so what the wing like Bobby own with Tamia well. What back way? Every auntie, none young him with your train. Not him with your train, I go walking out of the net, and I young me walking out there now. While I row. Okay, man, you can't be a lap walking away. we me lap yo hime. Igba ha lu he bi man operation. One day. Igba ha mi obalo ma ifi gwa ya karosa. We setting total. We tie monu we ma bia wi ani. Ona hin ya be la video. We na ge wo you we da wu we wo pa bia. Wo pa bia mo wo pa mo lo. Wo pa e balo mo je e gbe. Abia ri ono. Ota di me we nu wa gwi no ye Senegal. Wa no e we. Ki me kin e do no ka gbegbere wo kan me kan. Oni ota nu wa no e. Deni opa no kan me kan ye ga setita we gemi no kan me kan yin tam ya ye yunure. Ya zo bo. Yi gite mo e. So pe no la do tam agbon we gemi ni rita wi ye. Ye ke mo rita ju pe ye ke do ha ma wi ye bi kokobiri ya. Ofo izo bo. Yi pope.
Honey, oh, better.
Yi pope. Iya re me ya ire ni biwe. Iya ire no da fun me. Me ga re ni bi ya wa da finya. Iya mi o. Ama keke na ta. Mama mi na boki u. Aboki mi la yan so hian.
Ah, oni ya obe ni ya.
Oni ya obe ya boki mi la yan so.
Oni ya obe.
Ari o da feketi mu dia na ri o da fi me mu dia na call o da feketi be hu ya. A call e de na hu.
Ah, ija. O kwa yire zo so da fun we ni ya.
Ari o da fi we mu dia na ri o da fi me mu dia na call e be hu ya. E mu dia.
Ni awe kokobiri eno kokobiri.
Nene monu be me fi o hian ti tote.
Oni no ki. Awi ya manaro. Vero, no quella zofe, lo quella di zofe. Seria zofe?
Oh, e bangi tinha be gbenia. E bangi tinha be gbebe rita idu atoge. Oge rita ogi lati na gen wana hamu wana we gen no bia honku. E gen no ja hen me ari waju ni su gwapo. Ti asi wa hin bi bata na loro. E ri ya asi wa hin. Egbe awo wa we me. Wa de ne gen wa ge degbe awo wa do we me. Nu wa ge degbe awo wa. Dog we menirita, especially we to go where Ladian na do mun magmo. Una do ya ho ho ya betun. When Ladian na do he ho ni. Eni ni bi me ma ho ni e de we na do re ni ya be la video. Me ki kwa le video ni hia we na delete e. Wo delete e kwa no na de to ta we rita. Iye we ni ka ma we. E ga me to ye da no e ba boy la we gbe. Eson igbo egi ni Senegal. Eson igbo egi ni Senegal nje. Eson ogbuwe gini ba do ma ne fari la igbe ni be ifana mo tin be lo so abaya we mi ye
ala ya gbe ni anu lawo
do ma ne fari la igbe na ari mi go ga na ha eat drink it ige gometi e gi aja no ma ige gometi e gi aya mo ma re e gi aja no ma because ige gometi no ka pay e we regbe wa ha pay e we regbe gi na ri no ma e gi na aja no ma 300 euro ni na gba gbon yi we 300 euro ni yo ya aja no ma se bi gi wina Inwina ma ya wina o gbera de ri oni ofo so ige government igi aja no ma weseje wesi ige government igi aja no ma o wa do koko gberita me wa khian hello
it's a call
J egbewo
ayi mama emi ya wa yesi ama we fezuka
ire lanu
aso okay la mo etikari
iya ti mo ye speaker ire program ma o ya ti we later ire program ya ti mo ye speaker the time when you come out come they say for Facebook any emi orere ni ya fu woro e wa ya gave palo ge be Senegal total o wetin ya do analyst primary 1 majo primary 2 majo ugwagbeni we yo to of ye ru oru wo wa ijo do mo pon je na wo ye enegbo ma mi efo we na dori aga e video ya fe nu e lo pa ma so mo me bo gbe video nu we na yen gu we me gbo lelele bi e na wo wa we na do active me ye kokobiri e ge ri Ladian ya na do bege we ni ya video kokobiri re nu do bege ya wonu vinyare o sa bari o mo no ma o sa lo boa ugmeso emi no ma wu oloho ma me lafina o ma na lo wo lo ke mo nu bi e Ibadan uze yiri eregbe olohi monu bie amaye so agbogwe yopan be wuhe ari okpan la dun ni amaye so agbogwe yopan ari okpan la dun ni ewe government bi la ni me beti me ari okpan la dun we ni ayin ayin ya ero we be ke me na ari okpan la dun wa but wo pa ari okpan la dun na Hello.
Hello.
Load the one waiting for the year.
I don't know. You know any?
Call J.
When it's time. If you know your mind, when it done a marriage over here done. Then, near time where Kokobiri. What kind of woman so bo?
Let me
tell you something. When I come by your bank, when we're in Benania, Yawa, were over Bala, if we're woman. You were talking yesterday, we are debating in school. When we are one on now, yes, now it's in you. I see it naturally in you. You know where everybody do our money, I really make when I'm laughing on the oh, what do I balance or not balance? Because you are the things of nobody, don't really wait, no, you have display my ball. For you to go and I went debate in the school at that time, and if Papa salad here, I don't know who will debate in my day for. And what can I way? But these people are trying to divert your attention from you not giving a more, giving the hello.
It's down your way.
These people are trying to divert your attention. That glory of God, you saw that we're making not giving you more attention to them.
Mais maintenant, il y a attention, il y a il y a attention, il y a quoi? Donc, c'est important, il y a quoi?
That is what we do. That is what we work for 1 minute this year. Then, and somebody know you were born from your childhood. You know, the matter everyone was debating in school. Like your childhood, nobody you were born. But this same one, who are there, other destiny killers. They are the divert you with this, but what put more your attention on what they are saying. Then now, the man who couple when he working.
Ije we ba so e couple no ro a. E ma complain ma ro. E who couple moto bo me say I wish to leave it or say na say ai. Mo understand me now because o maybe no rugbe who couple bun say ma na ri ni agbabo. Me ti na do za here regime bo. Egbe awo ma e were. Ai egbejo. Okay.
Okay, down here. When of the phone journey, I want to tell you one secret now. When of the phone journey, only bugre. Because that man is too cute. A marriage, me tell you what did I have Facebook? If not, me choose with me that lad, Kokobiri wife. President of Kokobiri wife.
What's ye?
Now, damn it, you I'm not even only a ladia. President of Kokobiri wife. Because money damn a marriage if donne who say a partition is very manero. And you ladia Kokobiri don't mean my family way. Although happiness, although journey man. In I take Kokobiri name, many of them they are dying in their home. I wish if I can be in such relationship. I'm telling you. So what they are trying to do, is just to distract you from your original purpose you came to. Hello?
You are down the OG call.
The reason why I'm telling you Ritoto, damn it.
Ishe, Larry, damn you. Okay.
Get on 1 minute, get on 1 minute. Especially not the woman, no, I meant the word video, but no day, hey. Then the one where you be in school. I just want this school, that one of the best schools. But what to do where? Mais il on est where they want on debate in the school where he and where you always win. I wish you were where debate what I party say what even here where what can we test where in we don't need to go like that with Facebook. They are allowing them to take part of your Jesus. Where anywhere no busy and continue with God has given to you. I beg in the name of God. I beg, I didn't catch another sue. I was like my Zane, I didn't chance in me here. You have a lot in you that you can put to this internet thing. At the end of the day,
thank you.
In the name of God.
Ione, thank you for being a follower from day one. Thank you for being a follower. Wese nada me video ya niri ya o. You understand? Egba ma me ni meje. Ite eve imwe me ni je mama. Iwata. Omana awi memi. Ona awu me. Ubeso ege no ya wu me e hiando ya boere. Ege ni mi ya jinere. Ege ni poble ya bumuru we ya boere. Iya ti boere ege no ya twalo ni. Okpeni ketari ya wi ya me Facebook eri ya lele ya hian. Ege no ya gwalo me. Egba o si pa no pa no wa be ritali ni ya we make no je bo asapo ko pa no wa be no wa be yo ere be nezeri pa ni ma edege kwanti ya gbe lega iri gboloko runda iri gboloko mari gboloko me gbe ye kita no ri gboloko no ifun ye na bio me na bo to ye che la draga hin I ma understand que no vi gboloko pa na wasan la den oni duari yin ibe ga enia o iga me fun me ba hwe don reseti la tin avec gbe yin ina iga nya no e be Facebook e ni.
Give my little advice to you. Give my little advice to you.
Oji.
When you come out ban maybe weird do wa on me but when you show me o sa ba zema wujo
mebo no ai afo ma sama go
why will I be dying here? I mean
Ofwoni no reseniga Ofwoni no reseniga vo ware vo wa la Facebook na imagine why you jere a Facebook apropos. Apropos I am a video. Apropos help me to look for this video. No yari yeri because of deleting and me tell me yari yeri in the doc baby again. Or here yeri on a me Coco, you know, even Cocobiri children, even Cocobiri husband, we wanna be women in Samawena. On a gama no way, on a when you may problem. But I want to wear my entertainment. Uma go one day, or Maso Westward, Uma door Agmodore me. Do video wala ti ama be mu awota gona mudada fun mudanu nu bie won tama we na e mo pajare no highway e ga iladian e kene gbe na ho me na omodo iya we ke no ma helo igi ogbe eri e do tire fun time e ke no ma helo igi ogbe e ke no ma be me na omodo most of wa e just that I me you know agmo nya iri me so you know wa me na gele gbe ni me apepe wa the Facebook na wa mi obe wa we rita pepe gbe mo dollar wa mi obe. But wazi mo bobe pun wa give me on job that fi me. Wa ga to che ko me ye me problem o because other fi me na ye ni ha. Me to be me a problem ni but em no see na to agree na. Ni guiji or eni no ho ni wi me. Eni ni yeti bi me ye ga gi senia. Me gi mu out dan a blessing and do ladian. Or where they will not see ni me na tie keti aboki wife e matter. E video ru ogu hu na ne keti share no concern me no ya support.
A blessing when we say that a blessing. A brand when I do time and it will go back and come back. All the where?
Even the young Ashe again, they cannot ask you have here.
Many Mejanania, only me and I take a Cobili husband. Bueno, oh, you need very laughing. We are now Cobili me. I have asked what is the meaning of Cobili. Mammy on the right or turn my me. So, the social media na je. Una we bedo we are twin.
Yes.
That was the first time I watched you. Who we bedo we that make me go in and wa your video before that.
Ima wa hek beni. Problem.
I don't test story when you are like we bo when you are more like Jamie. If you tell you in a situation I go when I papa we say you know, praise God for your life. That's why I called you too. So, my dear sister, Nia, I just open a while and you drop a phone in now. You're taking much of your time. You are going on a woman. You only may have advice today. God is helping me. I'm telling you. Give them 30% and do your 70%.
Hey, you know. Hey, wow, woman understand. Ugmeso, egeni abeja uni. Imi atamu we me no ya me do reply video na bafana. A statement of ba ne blessing make. Or ya me we video na. If not me I la video na. Me e bi no ba be come wa be talo la wa. A blessing you make a statement in your way they may not see any me na tie kete or ha boki. Oh. Ina we talk okona obori dia.
We have to kokobiri. Ye man who we have to kokobiri the Facebook. Ye man who.
Oh, why? Betty ye hate many. O hate o wa gani o we ye ga ho bi ati o dafi make kokobiri wo din o we ma like e o we because o bia ni music o bia ni ason gbe bet we ma we video yo ya condemn e we ma we video ya condemn megi wo ma e ma ni we me megi so an we ya e gbe na do we video wa do ya condemn e o koko gbagbo a blessing o koko gbagbo we a
okay damn it when you understand when you even when you don't want any probably bless on the ballotary no. So he does damage when he go damage because of damage every day. A blessing who are where Umar Grea Tio na Kokobiri husband Umawe Vito Joe. You compare on now. I come and rejudge your whatever you can give you the blessing in there. Whatever you are done to that great job because all the little one. If you only joy in my life, any other woman, here for the presenter, here comment, here one and the woman, here with me.
Ichof ni wa seni ai won jama we na then meje Facebook na what I did be message ni fin call na ni continue
give them less attention
ije to the man we period na ya bari attention ni na wala dia me ala dia na ya ye ni ya katabo ya promise you want it to we okay wata wa sebe en wa kumeri attention ni ya be gbe agume ya be before can be ke
Mami fancy let me see we. Mami see we.
Wa mami see me be na hina. Then meje the kind of person he making. Me ko me wo wa na ro pa awa no. Mi no wa gwale me ya Facebook ya gwale na ya mo bobo ya bo wari ya live life me irun da ro pa mi ni panadol e o depon. Awa. Irun da ro pa ibuprofen. So emi ni ya we ya la ja Facebook be wi ya e. Then gbe yo ko me ya ide okay. Me a wi ya se for he me say. Okay, me I say me de okay.
Why we ain't who via in my like in my la where I ignore him la wo.
God J Wesley.
Okay.
All right. Ja. Where you dey, blessing. Now that one you supposed to start from. That is the analysis you are supposed to start from. Not be say you will come they start from up. You are starting from up. I don't like people who start from up. I don't like people who start from up. Hello. I know they like people who want to analyze. They will go start from up. You say another nonsense that you also said in your video. I don't want to play it. It irritates me. And obviously will irritate my followers too. You also talk rubbish to say Kate is our daily life show. Our daily life. You say that should be, Abi? Meaning she have the right to talk about everybody on social media. And no one should talk about her. Blessing. Were you ever sick of a brain problem? Did they ever operated you in the head? I don't know if you have ever been operated in your head. You carry operation whenever you want. Because I don't know. You say, Kate, a person will not go primary 3, when they talk anyhow. A woman that don't apply courtesy when she's talking to people. Person will not know how they talk to people. You make her play the analysis where you do on your areas, they cause them way bogbe. Now that will be analysis. Analysis na na way bogbo ma be. So if that one come out come talk, you will come the talk say, na life. She get the right to analyze because na our daily. What you daily daily me. Which kind daily and daily be that one? Ah why? Wait, be say when people sit down their own. Kate never ever one day since when they stop Facebook, not a topic of paladin, not discuss about better and winner. Or he gave me a hilt or not belly. I might have begging your moon where I did a baby after we were more big bay. On a day, on a doya sole norito when he had over, or when he had over tape, he got a banky money any other with competition. A blessing. They can your man where I do where I did with Buba. Who where I did a bit to garrison me a bit. Hello. 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 I don't hear you. You see me when you day. Eh? I got si mi egbe me do adu si mi egbe la wo e tag me ya video when egbe ma ho la wo ti mi awe no dey hashtag my name for that your platform no ye be na Virgin America kia your we gbe do your pa man don't hashtag me there. You are not a gang. You are no longer an analyst. You are not ganging up. That's what you are. You become a gang already. Blessing, I don't want to be reporting my pictures on your videos. I don't want to start with reports on you. Stop hashtagging me. After you have made your nonsensical videos, don't hashtag me on top of it. Alright? Hello.
My beautiful sister Rita.
Call J.
La wa forgetting la wo mo segbe. Only ni asalo la wo je.
Oh, kona.
Kiti na prophète ne vous m'avez que tori don't.
Imune rock best severio.
La wo.
Imune rock best severio.
So, o mo segbe la wo egun asalo la wo je.
Eni ati ega ina mo odan eketi ni o me karata pa na eketi me Facebook na. Isano kaka na eketi zolohian. Oga igbegeri sankaka no ya vi hie yoga zolo we no bia. Awe no bia latia. Oga zolo we no bia latia.
Iye na we gugu na nene blete ase. Egbe ma kiro. Ame wo ge manu we gugu na iye ma se we mo se gbe la wo. Oga fu weri ni me ya yo imegi ye yo. Amana me ta we wo.
Ega ne keti bi wa e na mi e.
We go no se.
Ega ne keti bi wa e na mi e kokobiri. Weseje. Ega ne keti bi wa e na mi e kokobiri. Me wa dokpa ne keti amula da Facebook na wo saloboa. Egbe me no ko na wa ya gun a. Odo ni ya amula te na wo khemu dia ge hian no.
Oma mata boki. Oma mi o dete o kwaji. Ne ke tu hu ye ni le kwaji na.
Mo vi beje bi jenita. Mo vi je bo genita. Wa hia gume we me. Tu must of why you mo genita. We am gbenu bi aya gume we me. We kwiji me yeje bi ke we me. We must of why you mo genita. E be na tai.
Ene ro nu. Iye ene ro nu o seria. Iya papa ya mate we live video ni la wo la oje la iwe ni wa call iwe
ege no khona no rese ni Ghana latia ege no khona no re ni ati ege no bo bo kete no bo no rese ni ga bo latia wa no ewe de mi opa no kan we kan rita
iya te wa ege ni e una eya te ya latia ye
wa no e we we mweni yun be ni na we na yo we bo asele Facebook we mweni yun. Okay, and you know me mujuni ni ya. Umaje beri egwele uye si erita 20 ma eri egwele ima ekpege we no dey depression admit we ima ekpege we no temu aru no temu aru omo nkoko ima ekpege we obwele ima ekpege we unu ma e wa ya gwana ni me ma ere nu we wa ya fe mere na upana ko wa ya reme wa ya fe mere na wa here gbere mi ari opopa ya igbu wa kugbe ya lu wa dedegbe wa tun igbeni mi ari opopa yibi wa popa ya iriye we iriye keti iriye no pa igbu wa kugbe yu wa apolu ati gba we na we ni imesi ko wa abi me ka polu no so gbo wa ga eti temata ma igbu wa na ta me igbu wa ni Facebook we just wa onu wa gele temata ma gun ye ti mo ka seke nu wa je eketi odo iwe vie we no khuru we gbe me iwo ya vie mi no khuru itota mega je wo ba mega je beketi mi no de no be bo you we fear bi no huru kunya do wa na leza bu hu me eketi na ona expose me to different bibie kan ya am ebogbe eketi no ona expose me to you are no ye kinya me Facebook e de na na be kan na do understand ya na lese ya na we ya set igbin na na ohiya oye me no pa me bu yo there we gbina na ohiya ye tigbina o ma kan ye karita iya boy magbagun ade bi se party o kan ni mu me tete ige sera o tete me na titoma ya when do ya e me so ya ga when ni tenya ile do ga bi o kan na wo me ya tenya ba ke to lu e me wa gbeketi na no ga poto wo ni san ni aya siri e sera ya ko bi ari e ba hello Koje
mama
ko
èyàn je ige were láti yóò ní kan to do ore speaker we ma we too much pe we ma bí o ma mi no tama woni me tama we
me ya wi ya be keni ya totaji
He like Dameho, he like action. I love your action 100%. I'm his support. I'm gonna give you a bullshit. Who give a bullshit? Bomber to bomber. You understand? Tooth for eye for eye, tooth for tooth. It's okay. But to a certain level, now we slow down. Now we slow down. Go and do research for better things. For better.
Oh, what no ye kwana nia? No ye kwana nia no okay, no go no regbe senika.
The no tukuba. Odo see.
Oh yeah.
Oh, police. Oh, police. My school. Mama get water. When I according to you, Dorothy, is that collect? I don't know school those days. I don't know school. I'm gonna pull a car. I beg you, I'm gonna hear my mother's school. My mother two drop out. I was go, but don't go fast. But the family two drop out. I cannot even make a single sentence. I can't make a good sentence. How can you enjoy?
It's what I'm man. Ije. Iya we amagi bega ni ya. Iya ma bega ega ne keti na do yi we vie bu no huru we gbe ne. Igi ne keti na ro ye peti na we problem re ne se do e ma bu wa mi egbe do pa. Wa koko agbe ne. Ega ase ma bu wa ba gbe. Ega ise me we ni ma bi ya do ba gbe ya we ri ta over sabi be mata. Oh! O si pa lo. Da me ho. O si pa lo no re bu jo mo. Ya ri message ni. We gbo. You sit down.
Ugboloko
ni funa kaka. Da me ho. Ya ri message ni we wo. Nda. Beto bu we ni ya. Iyan je fi ane budo. E message na wa gumeri ogi o si pa lo vision mo be vision mo. O si pa lo. Da me ho me kaka bo ka bo agwa lo de awu ni ana. Ege we mai so si pa lo keregbe. O si pa lo. E de no herita o hun we beti ya se gbe ni fun ki aro egbe ni. Keregbe iju we si me gbege na ma bugbe. Iju e pe na wa kuma na o keregbe me. Because a piece you was second image we ma enia. On a social media. A piece you wear, no ga ke zuo ni asi palo. A piece you wear some obono. But in my high beg a piece you asi palo. E ko ye le ya ye nebo ti archive. Wait a minute do e. Wa. Oh. Why mi won ya la ti avec gbe ni asi palo. On dey do na mi hu because e to wa mi hu. Hello. Hello.
Sister Rita.
How are you, my darling? How you dey?
I'm fine. I dey fine. Just a quick call for your callers. I beg, make una let Rita talk. Because if somebody pokes you, you need to poke her back.
Thank you, my lady.
If she quiet, these people will not stop. They will keep bullying her. She has mouth. And this is her platform. Somebody not feel cost your children, me you can't they say me you not reply her.
Thank you.
I don't not beg her, make she wanna leave her, make she express herself. If not, she keep going. She don't look at it. She don't go to take medicine for inside house like the other people. So leave her. This is how she wants to express herself. Let her be. She's not fighting anybody. She's just speaking her mind. Call us wala. Some of us bless him, Maya Noge. Continue.
All
right then. Bye.
I like people where they understand.
Bye.
Metae, warok pani mi arun dai pharmacy ya kami ya wari ibuprofen meni mi eru warupa wa heregbe. E mana ibuprofen ne ya mi why ne ya la why dey okay. If I don't swallow now, if I enter inside my house I go do okay. That's why when I see legbe here, we saga eti ago, eti ari lo ye na ge. Ya se gbe ne blessing ya where here ya ri bai. Owerun da iwe ya fe ni ro ta gbona ya re no pa ni Sandra Idugbo mamu da sagana mu da analyze abi ya ni re Edo Nollywood me analyze o ila je na we presenter him abi ila je na we presenter him you come out blessing you say you be analyzer who is the analyzer na fi of your total jegbe o ma gba ye do because we le lazem mo bo o ma no le lazem mo bo azem so ri yi ma azen ya we adu ake negbe azen ya we adu ake negbe ni bi o blessing. If my matter not let you for removal, as I went to any bill, come and bet me. Each time I went away, remove my hashtag from your virgin platform. A platform will not marry a carrier away. Waga igbeni me yiba. You sabwa imiwa. Ima why? Not be me sending a message. I'm not sending a message. The time where Obuele where defense Senegal so where you come out, they're gonna boil and I'll have a live video. What I or where Irie Coco Biri wife. Am I any of that from when you are boiling? I'm a double. Maybe I say, but that from where? Maybe I so door. I got so door. I never reached that side. but we joue nous do time man e la video we ga wodo no mu hia ubele e ga khwe me na yikpele ne fi oko na de na do mu ye gboda fe na ya sie ina yo na sile na bani fun yo egbere atiku aso ba khwe udo we weti ri rita na we ni ana mi rita na we rita badigbe oya wari me ge CNN wa ha me ahibadi go and give me to CNN and tell CNN that I'm a bad woman eri la fi menji e de no honwe e de yo hemme no e ti ahe na e we dopa ma me ge no ya hemme we na we give honwe ya se gwegwe zu obo but e ge no ya hemme me mami we e ge no ya ge no we ya ati me na hu we na mi kokobi uregbe Senegal ma ela wa o my lava, a weapon with a weapon in Meji. I wait a day, we are down where you would do. Well, what does it make a cobirana, but Kiko Cobirana by Titi Lega, where you are by Titi Lega will do? Huh? Trust my head. You are Becky Cobirana by Titi Lega way. No, how are you? We're sending go web easy as the air. But I went for Meji, Memares you. But take care of Cobiria by Titiana, or Row Fan Row that or Row Eke. No, how was your Yari, Salopaki, even Yari, okay, to be a level top. But you come at fear, let you say, my children, Nakokobiri children. When me want to carry your own, who go here, what the woman there, what ye where do I so? Area where? Hello.
Hello, Mama Leta.
Call G.
Mama.
How are you?
How are you? God bless you, ma.
Thank you.
You know, only time we will be at work because baby girl work here, you so.
Be a bene.
Okay.
Oh.
Man, continue money, we marry.
Any hour, many problem with a moya castle, women, no agreements with Miss Moon. My bully, me bully away. A Facebook will not tell the Buma second, if second, wedgie. A saga, me man, can't una ro geku una do lawe osewe gugu we ne de bio o de gbo ohun bai uma we ne bio no gbo ohun no me wo hu weti egberibo because who here we ne bio e saga ni mari enu wa ne gbe ne wa na dori e wa we ne bio eri mi meji ohun wa hie tapisti ru da menu wa tapi hia erita bita gbe o erita ite bita woman ogogo ni me ne wa ro pa ne gbo e ada fia ye ne wa mo we so uga yi we vie bi no khuru na gberita iya manatama we kita ekenuri na rejo aya yi we vie bi no khuru because erita asan asi okian ezu obo erita amu we yupene ezu obo mu tagbona ya tama we no zu obo egenu we na mi ekokobiri children ati you dey okay me ma eni agwo gwe geta we hia betray agwe agwe aproko if you are here a video no nothing me ekokobiri children why the air or you video na pere na udo tama me do wo hia ni why tama me not be this one we blessing this so oni we me amegbe me ya match with depression we ya we the Senegal na bata amana admit we hospital won e yerita amana admit we unwe ki ya yemi mo ina megbe ni ya lo we amana admit we won e yerita ba bola gbagbe ya not be matter on they find they go not be una see again in that time last year they get to swim matter na no jena ina ladina hamana we imagu egwan here we topic I still remember that topic when I do. I tell them say stigmatization is bad. A topic in your YouTube. It's not good to stigmatize yourself. Now topic when I tell reply this mumu woman. Not to stigmatize yourself. Ina wazen no rebejo. E meriye dosi na ladin. Ona ha o heti gwenye gwan. Meriye dosi na do tiye bome. No pa. E keti na ona do ladin ona do ha me ya o wazen rebejo. Because she is always afraid of fighting alone. And she is always calling people to say me they can't join her. She can't go, they do that topic. They call people. They say Mary Edos. Now they talk to. Whereas, Omaka meka Mary Edos there. Umi reply Mary Edosia. Or say video hani Mary Edosia tie bome. Ima Harry Beggar, ima reply because ima go egwa. Enye gugwa. Agwa. Omaka meka me here to worry to because already live video na my tie bome one day. Oma rovie me de gbeketi o be la to rovie me ma be keti o ga so le gbebu gbe eketi rieme na arie ne directly o rieme na arie no do o rieme na arie no rieme na arie ne my papa nke ni marie Omaro pamae. So una we wan carry our fight. Wa ma even ma make it ya we gbe sisi. Wa na gbe na ya hin wa. Wa munu wa ya segu sagbada. Make una carry, me una use and take lot. Because e ba me mu gbe ni keti. E ba wa ado carry ba wa ado ye keti yeke. Ogba wa ya gbe e kopa. And the bomb ni ya release a little wire. All of you. Wire fefe ya ye bomb me diminish wire. Work wire fefe. You not go remember one. Because the macro no subuwa. Iye total the keti you if you no huru we be. O ma be eketi. Eketi give here we no huru ne. Ona bueno re UK are UK ona ani nyeme me we no do tie bomb me be la video na do ye video. Inu video no hin ya le me ho. I must say no je. Ona mu ari Spain no Spain na do le me ho ma pa ni ma ga ajevu ogwa. Now only we know the game where we can't play. E said that my no sunu. E said that do defi we matter no my. Obi o kan my no sunu. Tabe ka my we lue kakabo. No re seniga. Eri abe ya mwemene yo bo no re seniga na be mu. Ogi be mu kokobiri. Kokobiri wife. Kokobiri wife. Gele. Isha. Meme ye kokobiri children ya children make the blessing je. Then now this one I have the children. Wamen wa fio boy be me we be rita wa fio boy yo lele biele o wa fio boy yo lesi wa la te wa temata ma gbuwa eketi la te on do temata ma gbe o ta ma gbon me no gileje o ma na ta ma gbon o gba wa ya fe gbe ke no no ri gbe kwakwa ye mi no ma kan o ka wa gbe cause me I no be small pikin I know what I dey do. I know what I do. Evidence where I don't get for that Senegal now say that video you don't delete am. You not quick me get her. You not quick me get her. E bang ya $1 di anwa do he Rita. Gumenta ma we obi me omo. E we me ya be. Oh, e ga nu we na la di am we fi ogu gbeju wo wa. Nu we na do asili mo e me ha ni me bie. U we wu. U wu we gani. We ma understand the mo no. Oh, blessings now you know. The me and Senegal children who first of all who draw our leg. Is she the one that came to draw me because she was looking for popularity? And she come to draw me where I sit down put. Now you want to say Rita the draw, huh? Ever wa high Rita draw here? No. The time when I get the time. Now I take comfort them. The mama robi Nigeria be nubache. No hamuwa wa sai boa be dun. Ahwa. Mama robi Nigeria be nubache. Ega nuwa na adweki ni beta moda for me with daddy. Ubege bi ni ya una ye ne ya bege ya se. Ma gbogbo ye kwa no bi na. Oda for me na we come down with yes. Ege aso ha me ne ya. Because ama ha me na gbon ya so ma ya zo ma go. Now you want to pretend like this same ani ma e mi ropa. Wa le ji ye kian hian do shin ya gbini na ya ma e. Ye yi we fie bi no huru na. E bi no huru ya yi we fie. I be no huru ya yi with you, no be another thing. Somebody like me, you want solo me, make you go ahead. Many problem we. Ege ase. Mema we ni me fa gbo a, but ma bu we. Agbon an no we ba, why you we retire na no na here we call. No man agisu obo. E ba na we be so e be ka we je me yon ka bu retire. E la fi menje. He so no pon rami. So my people, that is for that today. I'll go work today. So, blessing. That video that you did, I encourage you to go and revisit it. If you want to start a respect, your respect may not fall for my hand. Go and revisit your video. Alright? Go and revisit your video because I don't call you. I don't have my name on all those your nonsensical analysis. I be you want to join the Beat My Children. If you want to join them to beat my children and my husband, please tell me. So that I will know where you belong to. I'll start looking for your own children. So please, the time that we are doing me, get patient. All of you was be entertained now. Were you not entertained? That time we face they carry mat the face live video like this. See mat go come big. I want you baba do live video. Hey, when you tell me how do you know you na get no na amunu that live video tell me na what is certain na what myself wagaje. Where were you? Oh. Now when it come out we say make it talk you now come the talk say he want join and beat her. It's not good for you to call her a bookie wife. Larry, blessing. I'm begging you in the name of God. Don't you ever make that nonsensical video where you do. Not do it again. Because when you want me now. Even kona balene o yari eju go ya enwe o magino to ba e o. Ege no ya home me. Ege ni ya we ya kwa be we ne ya kwiku me hia. Ere life me but u beg me na tie forgiveness. Ere be me. Eki me mana we ni me gwa lo ni me we ni. Me na tie forgiveness. So waga u me. Here call we na ya hewe. I can wait for 1 year. I can wait for 2 years. But when my time come, who will do back on your way? This a lot boy. See you people later, my people. So blessing, go revisit your video. That is nonsense. You are the person that is making me to analyze this video right now. And you know, if you call live video, you cannot do live video more than me. You know if you do more than me, so stop wasting your time around me. I'm not coming to come and give you 1 cent. I'm not coming to come and give you 20 cents. I know they pay person for useless whatever. I don't pay people to support me. You see? I don't pay for support. So I will definitely not pay for support. If you see say kids go carry a bank money come at you, can't give you 1 cent for it, I mean you take the support will not mean anything. Not believe say na so you go continue to go. I be only set it and go kids and work and believe. Don't you ever. Have a nice afternoon, my people. See you all later. Anytime when you take combat, when you take combat for me, I go to combat for una. Maybe the best super ball, and even say to ball, or go make one yard to wegwan, or go make one yard to wegwan. Now, so not be before where they say, oh, you are too posh, Rita, you are too posh for nonsense. It's not good. May posh not posh your one posh for you are near the door you move down that posh. You go and drag make a posh no zoo radio. Make a young woman do it. I don't have time to do a stupid posh. You are too posh. Please be quiet for waiting now. Which can you hear posh be that one? If me bonny I go mad to keep posh no zoo video. See you all, my people.